Hello, join me as I make lamb fry today. First, I'm gonna add some plain yogurt. This helps tenderize the meat. Add some ginger garlic paste. Add some turmeric powder, red chili flakes, and red chili powder, or you can use paprika. Add some black pepper and some coriander powder. Throw in some chopped serrano peppers in there. Let's mix all of this up. Now that it's all mixed up, I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'll see you then. Let's preheat some oil in the pan. You see it's glistening, so it's ready to go. So into this oil, we're going to add some black mustard seeds, some dried red chilies, some cumin seeds, and some curry leaves. If you have fresh curry leaves, use those. I can't find those in my area, so I have to use the dry ones. Let this cook for like 20 to 30 seconds. Then you can add in the marinated meat. All right, let's add in the marinated meat. I'll show you after because I need my hands. You can hear it sizzling after I add it in. Go ahead and cook this, stir this for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you see that the meat has released water. So now I'm going to add in, I chopped up 2 or 3 baby tomatoes and then I added water to the bowl. So I'm going to add this in. So I'm going to mix this up, add salt, maybe like a teaspoon for now. And then I'm going to let this come to a boil and just let it cook, stirring occasionally until this starts to dry up. So this is what it looks like after 45 minutes. Since I'm using a metal pan, not a non-stick pan, I'm going to have to start continuously stirring this so it won't stick. And I just have to keep doing that until it dries out. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. Okay, this is now done. Once all the water's dried up and you see the oil separating like that, it's done. Now I just have to add the cilantro. As always, I have half the cilantro that I'm about to mix in, and the other half is gonna be on the top as a garnish. Okay, so here's the finished product. Please give this a try, like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for joining me.